Hello friends, I'm Sarita this side, and I have come up again to meet you people through this public platform of YouTube, which enables me to create a space for healthy discussions regarding spiritual and intellectual topics here, with so much enthusiasm from my side. And I would like to share my vision with you people in creating this channel and creating this space for us here. My profession is designing. I am a designer with lots of experience in export houses, right? And now I am working towards the entrepreneurship role and working towards creating ventures of mine in my areas and fields of interest. Those are my interests, since I know when I'll be involved in those interests, I'll be very happy in pursuing the challenges, pursuing the activities, pursuing the journey required to complete the ventures. So I am very clear about what I want, in which field what I want, and how far I can go in that. Okay, so at present I am coming up with a theme which resonates with my growth, with my outlook at present, and which resonates with my own self growth, which is on many levels, like spiritual level, intellectual level, individual level, social level, and professional level. You can say personal level also. So today I have come up with a theme of insecurity. I am a very honest and dynamic person, and a very brave one also. I am really proud to admit that I'm a bold person, and I don't shy away from expressing my feelings and creating solutions for those feelings, right? So I have come up with the theme of insecurity right now, which is my feeling at present, which is my current state of mind, because I am standing at a crossroad of my life, where I have to take decisions, regarding my future life on my own. There is nobody whom I am allowing in my domain, because I want to do it on my own. I have come out of the comfort zone. So the first feeling is insecurity about the future. Let's be honest about it. I am not shameful of being honest about my feelings. Okay, once if you will be honest about your feelings, only then you can discuss it with right people, with the people who are on the same journey as you are. Only then you can do it. So, and with discussions you find solutions on your journey, what you can do, what is the better outlook, how the people are perceiving it, what kind of solutions they are providing to you, or they are following to become successful, more successful. I want to lead my life, and I want to lead a very successful life in all levels, on all domains. Okay, so I wanted to sort it out, the feeling of insecurity which I was having like for last 15-20 days. So I wanted to dig deep. What is that? How can we deal with it? What are the ways in which I can overcome it, and what will it give it? What will the solutions give it to me? So the same solutions will be given to the people who listen, understand, and follow it. Okay, so I am coming to the definition of insecurity. I will follow the same pattern which I am following in my other 8 videos. We'll talk about the definitions, which are very subjective as per my own outlook, and those are like a piece of my mind, okay, which I am presenting with you people, so that you can also get benefited from it, right? So let's talk about what is insecurity, right? Yeah. Insecurity is a helpless feeling. Is a helpless feeling, though it does not look like that from my outlook right now, because I have overcome it by working over it, right? So I'll repeat again. Insecurity is a helpless feeling or the fear of the future or unknown events. We are fearful of the future and unknown events that can happen to us, to anybody. The insecure feeling makes you in compromising mode. The feeling makes you live in a compromising mode, which leads to unhealthy relationships. It leads to unhealthy relationships at all levels, in all zones of life, right? Personally, professionally, and socially, I'm talking. You will compromise at every level since you are feeling insecure. People use that feeling of yours. It's human nature. I'm not offending anybody. It's human nature, right? Yeah, we'll go further. If you are feeling insecure, there will be more and more people who will be benefited out of it. So there is a dire need to work on this aspect of your psyche. Work on your insecurity part. Yeah. Now I will come on the house. On the house, how can we work on our own security, or insecurity, right? First point will be understand the logical reasoning. You have to be logical, not emotional about the way you are feeling. You should understand why you are feeling that, okay? So you need to understand the valid logics behind your feelings. Dig deep, analyze, understand, be aware, be very honest. Talk to your nude feelings. What the hell is happening to me? Okay, this is happening. Sadness. Why is it happening? Who is causing it, or what is causing it? You have to be very analytical to understand these points. Yeah. Then if you this is very important. If you judge the accurate causes, you can change the accurate effect. Hope you all understand the law of cause and effect. Unless and until you understand the cause, the reasoning of a particular thing happening to you, you can't change the result or the effect of it. So this is a very most important, the foremost step to understand the logical reasoning behind your pathetic feelings, or interesting feelings, or exciting feelings. You should be able to judge what is your stand in that kind of feeling. It's a very brave step. People are scared to confront their feelings. It's a brave task. So understand your feelings with logics. Combine, make a combo of logic and emotion, right? Next point is take out points and create solutions. Be creative to create solutions for your own problems. Don't be a victim. Don't go in a victim mentality or a mindset that does not empower your success and growth. Be a winner and find the points which are stopping you or keeping you stuck or keeping you in a comfort zone, and then create plan solutions. We are intelligent enough to figure out solutions once we understand the problem. If we don't understand the problem, how can we do that? It's as simple as that. Yeah. Next, the simple thing. Figure out what is bothering you, then find a solution, make a plan, work hard and work smart. Be smarter, use your mind, use your intelligence to deal with problems, with your own feelings. Just drop the feelings which is not helping you. Let it go. Don't hold on to them. Okay? Yeah. I come to the next point. Next is stick to your self-commitment. If you want self-growth, you have to be committed. You have to be committed to your self-growth. Yeah, and you have to stick to it. Okay? Stay committed for your goal of self-improvement. Only you can do it. I cannot do it. I can do for myself, and I can inspire people. I can lead that you should do it, you can do it. I can provide some ideas, but I cannot play your role. In any case, I cannot play your role. I would not like to play your role. Your life, your responsibility, 100%, not mine. Right? I can support you, I can stand by you. Okay? Make yourself committed. That will make you more calm, more secure, and more happy about yourself. Commitment brings responsibility, responsibility brings results, and results brings achievements, and achievements give you satisfaction and happiness. Yeah. Next point I would like to share is track your progress. Okay, you should work on yourself. Keep a file or a journal or any interesting app that makes you informed about your progress, about your growth, about your action plan, where you have reached and where you should reach. You can set your direction when you track your progress. Yeah, right. In your chosen zone. It can be anything. Don't go by my words or judgment that it should be like that. No. Choose your zone. I choose all zone of mine. Personal, professional, social. I choose all zones and create a plan that I need to be more authentic. I need to be more transparent. I need to be more integrated with the people I meet. I need to create a more authentic relationships. I need this thing in my personal life. I need that thing in my professional life, and I strive to achieve it with my commitment. Nobody else tells me, and I don't allow anybody else to tell me what I want or what I need in my life. I am very clear about what I want. Yeah. Next is the whys. Why we should work on our insecurity. We are insecure. Humans are insecure beings. Nobody is a perfect person who is secure at all levels. If somebody is secure professionally, you will find him or her insecure emotionally or personally. If somebody is secure socially, you will find him or her insecure professionally. Yeah. If somebody is like secure, very secure personally, you will find him or her insecure socially. Just for instance, I am telling, so that you can understand my direction of communication, right? So I am like coming in a more professional mode now. The earlier videos were a mix. It was a mix of like a traditional, contemporary, personal approach, personal, professional approach. Now my videos will be more in the professional zone, because I am stepping into my full power with the most bold and most fearless version of mine now. I have nothing to fear in my life now. I have seen all phases. I have gone through all phases with all of my 100% commitment. Nobody can say that I have not discharged my responsibilities or committed myself to a certain situation or certain person or certain outlook or certain whatever zone or domain. Yeah. So I am stepping into my most fearless and bold version now, which is the real and original me. That was also me, but that was like steps, escalator steps. This is the the step when merges in the topmost stair. I am standing at the topmost stair now. Now I have to go. I have to take a flight. I have reached on the runway and I have to take a flight now. It's very important for my growth, and I am very selfish about my growth. Everyone should be. Everyone should be. I proclaim it. Yeah. Fine. Now I will come to the point. Why should we work on our insecurity? Okay. First point is increment in your self-esteem. Yeah. When you chip off the pain areas or the weak points, there is a boost in your own self-worth and confidence. You need to delete the weak points. Deleting doesn't mean that you will not have it. You know what to work on. Nobody can use those points to criticize you or pressurize you because you are aware about those pains. I am taking a pause. Those are pains. Don't make anybody become killer of you. Yeah. Create your own painkillers. Create your own solutions. Know your pains. I cannot know. Do the work. Work hard. Yeah. Second point. Removes ignorance, oblivion. Right? After self-introspection, you will overcome any sort of ignorance and oblivion. That is unawareness in your outlook. Ignorance and oblivion is like you are not aware about the facts, how the real world operates. The oblivion dissolves. The oblivion dissolves when you're working on your insecurities. Okay, darlings. Yeah. Then you know yourself better and more clearly. That's what I'm saying, digging deep in your psyche. Yeah. That makes you move towards better decisions. That makes you take better decisions for a better life. Be decisive about your life. Don't give your remote control in anybody's hands, emotionally, personally, and any other domain, professionally. Keep your control with you. Yeah. Right. Then the third point is clear-cut picture of your life. When you filter your own emotions, your own feelings, you understand your exact situation or direction of life, yeah, and can sail your ship in your desired direction. You know where you stand, where the ship of yours is stand. Is it still in the harbor? Is it getting cleaned, or it has gone into the waters, or is it swimming in deep waters, or is it meeting a rock, or is it in a fog, or this and that, or is it going to the limitless horizon of the ocean? Only you can figure out. Only you can figure out. What I can figure out about my ship is that my ship has left the harbor. It is hooting, but it was looking back. It was looking back at some immaterial subjects who were calling, but I was getting clouded, so I cleared the cloud of my insecure emotions and let my ship free. My ship is free to go in any direction, and I have chosen the directions, luckily, fortunately, and very excitingly, I can say I have chosen my directions, and I am taking my own decisions. I am proud of my growth. I am proud of my love that I have given to other people. I am proud of how kind, optimistic, strong, and inspiring person I am. Somebody calls me intuitive. Yes, I am very intuitive. I go by my gut feeling. Feeling is my direction. I don't go by the thought. Feeling is my direction. Okay, so figuring out your feelings makes you very clear about your direction. My ship is very big, white colored ship with hooting element over it in red color, red, black, and it's like well lit, and I am waiting for the co-passengers to come. I'm inviting them. Okay, I'm inviting them, and I am going to create my own crew to cruise on the sea with me. Only those people who understand my journey, who understand what I am saying. Yeah. Next is problems solved by working on your insecurities. I always talk about solutions of a problem. Unless and until somebody is providing me a solution, I don't listen to the person. I just look for solutions, and I give solutions. So creating a solution is very important. Yeah. So I will talk about the kind of feelings which are to be dealt with, that create problems for us, knowingly or unknowingly. It gets created. Sorry. Yeah. So first point is lessen. It lessens the dependence on others. When you work on your own issues, you will be independent. You will not require anybody to solve your issues, since you know what your issues are and how you can deal with them or handle them, right? You will be able to counsel yourself without external help. You will be able to self-motivate yourself. You will be able to find out material to guide you in those dark times. You will be able to figure out creative solutions, lateral thinking, critical thinking, creative thinking. Yeah, you will be able to do that. Artistic thinking, imaginative thinking. There are lots of approaches of thinking. Yeah. So you will be less dependent on